You know, this last weekend, me and Eric had the opportunity to sit on the square of Bakersville by the mobile station, down from the Gateway store, right? And meet a couple of men that I hold true and treasure. One of them was like some smart psychiatrist guy that owns some houses and cleans floors. He didn't seem too smart because he had a hat on and was holding a bucket of grass seed. I guess seeding a ditch for someone he loved, but hell, it was about dark. And the other one, he comes from a large family, worked in the mines, fixed to run for public office, has a hard job in that community. And I speak to him daily. I hold him true. He's a brother. But in Bakersfield, when you have your headlamp on in the evenings, it shines like diamonds on the ground. And that's from all the quartz that is washed out, the mica. It's really something to see in the mountains. And I got some news about possible contamination. I want to read this to you. Got some news, got a boy that is 17-year-old that has been in the creeks and rivers for the fire department, helping recover bodies. And now he is in a hospital and has been for a week. Got mycoplasma. It's usually pneumonia, but it's in his blood, and he has blisters all over him and his mouth, and said he could lose his vision. And doctor said it more than likely got it from the creek and river. Doctor says seeing a rise in system like sore throat, breathing problem since the flood. That's a fact. You can bet on that. Okay? That's from the horse's mouth. And as always, I keep my sources with me. Also was noted this morning on the land grab thing, they have not seen that in Bakersville, North Carolina. They have not seen FEMA. Matter of fact, they would love to see the insurance agents and FEMA show up because they are waiting to pass permits and inspection for things like the funeral home that is well needed because there's bodies to put in the ground and send to the Lord, right? And they can't get nobody to show up. Yeah, they wish like hell they'd see a FEMA son of a bitch. Or, better yet, an insurance man. So if you're in that field, would you do me the fucking honor and show the fuck up there in Bakersville, North Carolina? Because they would love to fucking test the waters and see if it's really true. If you're offering up money or if you're just showing up for fucking lollipops or hard dicks and bubble gum. I don't know. But the least you could do is travel your happy ass down to the fucking devastation and see some people that have made some progress and fucking pass inspection so they can get on with their business, right? Of rebuilding, selling, do whatever they want to do, right? And if you're off of them creeks of water, which, Lord knows I ain't fucked up. I'd be out there swimming in the shit, you know? I mean, hell, if you hold meth labs and shoot dope and test the waters of syphilis and herpes and all that other shit, what's a little bad contaminated water? I want you to know that it's a possibility you could get sick. They're seeing reports of it. And it's the Scout's honor. God bless you. In Bakersville, I love you. I really do. I really do. I just really do. That's all I can say about it. They just make better beer there. And they make better friends and better men. And they got that place, Bonnie and Clyde's. Yeah. They took me an aint there. Yeah. It's simple fare. Ain't nothing fancy. Women got a little heavier on the ass. Food's real hot. Well, but they found out real quick I was more of a Clyde than a Bonnie. Look, fucking English.